Here's a really old York unit at a house in my neighborhood. I do have permission to be in the property of it. It's behind this gate, but I figured I'd take a video of it anyway. There's the data sheet for you, 1980, according to the SEER number, which I decoded a while ago. There's the other fan. Been cooling for 41 years, so it's definitely a good unit. I'll get a video of it running later this summer when it gets hotter. Alright, that'll be it for this video.
That's right, it's been almost 40 years, huh?
Yeah, over 40 years. Cuts from 8.
Yeah, and the furnace is
yeah,
is more like what, 60 years or 50 something?
At least 50, because that's when these houses were built.
Yeah. Yep.
Alright, that'll be it for this video.